So you guys remember this thing over here? Got this for $10, and it is self-propelled. Clean the carb and some other stuff. You know, minor problem, whatever. But my big problem was that it didn't come with a muffler, and there's a busted bolt in there. You know what I'm saying? So I could try to drill that out, but that's just like way too much trouble. And there's only 1 or 2 different Tecumseh mufflers that actually fit in this area. That L-shaped one doesn't fit. Anything bigger than that won't fit. And not to mention the fact that it still has this bolt in there. So I saw that there were threads inside the hole. And I'm thinking, could there be like another kind of muffler for the tensions? And so I looked on eBay. And they sell these. I believe they also fit certain Briggs and Stratton ones too. So this one comes with a thread. And it just came in the mail. Uh-oh. It doesn't look like it fits, man. It's too thick. That sucks. Oh, back to the drawing board, you know what I mean? I thought that would fit, but it doesn't fit. That really sucks. I paid $5 for this. So, no big loss. I'm sure I'm going to need it in the future, you know? I thought that would fit. Oh well. Gonna have to find another muffler or something. Well, actually, so when I put the camera down, I stuck it in there. Fits. It just didn't look like it fit, you know what I mean? But it's in there. How about that? I'm gonna start it up. That looks weird though, doesn't it? I just washed this baby up a little bit just to make it sort of presentable. But, you know, this foot protector here is all trashed. So I'm going to replace it. I have an extra one. So to get this off, I'll take the wheel off. Just an easy cotter pin. And it's got one screw there. Easy, man. And just put that on. So now at least it's working, you know? I'm going to put that wheel back on. Got them fixed here. Has a muffler now. Not the prettiest thing, right? Old. But how about that, man? Self-propelled still works. 4 horsepower, 22-inch cut. That eager one. It's always eager. Anyway. Got it for $10. Spent $5 on a muffler. Put that thing on there. It's a little bit of a pain in the ass. That carburetor leaked a little bit. Had to make a gasket. But whatever. Try to sell this for maybe $75. You know what? It's got self-propelled. Maybe I'll do 100. I'll try 100 and then talk it down to 75. Anyway, see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.